Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Textract. We'll dive into its powerful capabilities for extracting text and data from virtually any document. You'll learn how this machine learning service goes beyond simple optical character recognition to understand the context of your information, making it incredibly valuable for automating data entry and processing. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your unstructured data with ease and precision. Amazon Textract offers several key features, including intelligent document processing for forms and tables. It can accurately extract data from structured and semi-structured documents, even handling handwritten text with impressive accuracy. This means you can automate tasks that once required manual effort, saving countless hours and reducing human error. Imagine processing thousands of invoices or applications in mere minutes, all while maintaining high data integrity. Getting started with Textract involves a few straightforward steps. You can upload documents directly to the service or integrate it into your applications using its robust API and SDKs. Textract supports various document types, including PDFs and image files. Once processed, the extracted data is available in structured formats like JSON, making it easy to integrate into your existing workflows. It's designed for seamless adoption, whether you're a developer or a business user. Textract shines in numerous real-world applications, from automating invoice processing and identity verification to digitizing medical records and legal documents. To optimize your results, consider providing clear, high-quality document scans. Textract is a cost-effective solution, as you only pay for the pages you process, with pricing often measured in cents per page. By following best practices, you can maximize its efficiency and achieve significant operational savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.